If you like this video, make sure to visit our Vimeo page and follow us to get the latest update.
Hey guys, so we shall continue the session. Any questions from yesterday's session, guys? Can we continue? Are we good? So no means, silence means no questions. That's how I take it. Okay. So this is what we understood yesterday, right? You have a working area. Working area means working repository. That is your folder where you have all your files. That you push it to your staging area. Okay. You commit changes to the repository. Okay. And this will be pushed to the remote repo. Okay. This is how it is. And when it comes to the, other types of features that you have with Git, we're gonna see them. Few of the other features that you have with Git, and we have Git clone, Git checkout, Git status. We already know. I'll just underline the things which we already did. This we did. This we did. This we did. That's it. Only 3 things we did. Status, which gives the information. Commit, which gives you the commit. This thing, and push, which will actually upload the commits to the remote repository. Okay, we need to do rest of the other things. We'll do it slowly. Okay, so first thing is, we did see yesterday that we will get by default a master branch. Everyone agree with that? Just type it on the chat or speak out. Anything is fine.
Yes.
Perfect. So that's how it is. I mean, whenever Git, just give me a moment. 1 second. Just, yeah. I'll just show you. We'll talk about a little bit of branching today, because branching is very important in every organization. What is the strategy that we follow for the branching? What are branches basically? So yesterday we did discuss that we have something called like master branch. Okay, in this master branch, you'll create some commits, right? That's what we actually witnessed yesterday. So these are some commits like this. You have one commit here, you have one commit here. So let's say, some commit number, some alphanumeric. And here you have one more commit. Let's give a let's give a real-time commit that I've given yesterday, so that we can actually make use of this example very well. So I'll go to the directory where I have my commits. This is what we have, git practice Zaran, right? So I'll just right click and say git bash here. So I'll go for git log, so that I can see my commits. There you go. So 5F0, 5B0F. So these few things are fine. Just 5B0F. Just imagine this is the only commit that you have. Probably you can, if it's confusing, just assume that you have only one commit. Okay, no other commits, only one commit. Now what has happened here is we have only one master, that is master branch. We have only one branch, that is master, and on which your head is pointing to master. This information, whatever you see here, is for local, and this information, whatever you see, is for remote. Okay, this is for local, comma remote, local comma remote. You can actually type git log and check on your system as well, guys. Just quickly open it and please check if you can see the same local and remote. Can you get it?
I got it.
How about the others?
Sri, I didn't see that. I see new file hello text.
No, if you actually push it to the repository, if you type git hello, you'll get these things.
Hey, I didn't see that.
Why?
I didn't see that. I see only new file hello text, not hello with Zaran.
Forget about these things. Can you please see these things? Whatever I
Yeah,
highlight.
I see that one. Head
That's
master
what we
and
are concerned about. That's what we are concerned about.
Okay, thank you,
Okay.
thank you.
Yeah. Okay. All good. Nice. So now we will actually see the git config folder. Okay, yesterday I did actually told you about the hidden folder here. So we'll go inside the .git folder. Inside the .git folder, can you open your config file and see? You'll see a change there. Inside the config file, you can see the remote URL being updated there. Can you guys please see from 8 to 13? You can see new lines added in your config file inside .git. How about the other people?
Yes, I got it.
Mhm.
Yeah, I got it.
Good. Nice. So that means the moment when you add a remote repository, you get this. Now, we will try to do one more thing very interesting now. Okay. You can also remove this repository, that is remote repository, that is get remove remote, get remove, sorry, get remote remove. Just give me a moment. Usages. Okay. Remote origin. Yeah. Git remote remove origin, and you can check now. There's no remote origin now. There's no remote repository here. Go back and check your config file. It will get removed. Okay. So use this command get remote remove origin and try git log. This will be removed. Origin will be removed, and you can go back to your config file and check your remote information will also be removed. Can you please check that? Please confirm, guys. Use this command. Okay, how about the other people? Vichi says origin removed. Can you guys see? Please check the config URL also, guys, because you'll understand how Git works. Go to the config file and see. The information is removed here. Okay. And you know how to add it, right? Simple thing. You need to, git add remote origin and the URL, and you push it, you'll get it. Okay. So that's how you'll do it. You go to GitHub repo. I'll add a report called repository called ZaranNew. Okay, I can try this. Okay, so see now, it's beautiful actually. See, you can understand how the Git works really well now. See, I'm adding this URL. The moment I add this, come back and see here. Super. That means it has the information about your remote origin. Very good. After adding it, how about after pushing it?
Srini sir,
Mhm.
how did you remove it? It was git remove origin. I'm sorry.
Yeah, so I think you're a little slow because I'm giving you time, but try to make it faster.
Sorry.
And please don't miss. Do not get diverted. Git remote remove origin. Git
Okay,
remote,
sorry.
no problem. Git remote remove origin. More than sorry, if if you're able to do it, that makes more sense actually. Nothing to be sorry here, but if you're able to do this, it's good. Try
Okay.
this. Okay, so guys, once I push this, come back and see here. Again, you have more information after pushing it. Can you guys please try these two things? Create a new repo. Okay, once you create a new repo, come back and add it. Git remote add origin. After removing it, add it. Come back and check your config file. 8 to 10 will be added. Okay, so this will be added. This is for push. Okay, and this is for yeah. Can you guys please try these two things? Let me know once you're done. It's very interesting, right? Hope you can follow these things. This way, you understand how Git maintains internally. Very, practical way of learning something. Create a new repo from the GitHub. Let me know once you're done, guys.
I am getting failed. to push origin.
Okay, because you did not add it, or you did not remove it previous origin.
Okay.
Either you did not add it, or either you did not remove it. If you add it, if you did not remove your previous repo, you will get fail. Okay, or if you do not add it, if you do not have repo at all, push will fail. You getting me?
Hmm.
Vijay and Prashanti done. How about the others? Surya, Nuri, Sanjay, Shonesh, Tohidul. Is this done, or you're doing it, or any issues?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out the failure, sir. So, one
Yeah.
second.
Who's this? Sanjay, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So what I'll do, I'll just stop sharing my screen. Share your screen. It's coming in.
So you can see that.
Type git status or git log. Type
Yeah.
git log. Go. Yeah, this is okay. Go back and type git log. I'll tell you what's your problem. Git log will give you complete information. So that means you did not add your remote origin. See, where is your origin? You did not add
Add
it.
it right here, right?
How can you say? How can you do like that, Sanjay? Do you think it will work? That's not a valid command, right? What is origin? You tell me.
Oh, so it has to be add master.
I think you're getting confused. You're getting confused.
Okay.
Please recollect. How did we add the remote origin URL from yesterday's session? So for example, you're from New York. Your destination is Chicago. You'll just add destination, that's it. Don't you add your location?
Mm-hmm.
Where's your location? How can it figure it out when you say git remote add origin? What is it? Doesn't make sense. Give the destination URL, man. Yes, there you go. Yes. You understood now?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Mistakes are good. Mistakes are very good. You'll never forget this. Now you can push it. Try pushing it now. Now, okay, wait. Here, I want you to actually type git log. See the difference. Type git log. Okay. Now, so far, you haven't pushed to the origin. Very good. Go back to your config file and check. Yes. Awesome. Got added, right? What do you say,
Hmm.
Sanjay?
Yes,
Good.
yes, yes.
Now push it. Git push -u origin master. Check git log and come back here. Check your git config also. Yes, that should be master, not main. Okay, fail to push some repos. Git remote add origin.
I think mine is main only, sir. That's the.
Oh, yeah. You created as main here. Okay, just push it to main then instead of master. Correct.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Hey, I got wrong here. Error failed to push some reference.
Okay. I'll come back to you, Tohidul. Once this is done, there you go. Can you check git log now and open your git config? What do you see the difference?
Yep, it's added. And then let me close this. Refresh it, come back. Configure. What bad? Yeah, I added this. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes. It's
Yeah,
added,
I
right?
added. Yeah.
Mm.
Should I give it to? Should I give you back to presenter?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
I got it, the URL.
Okay, good.
Srini, I just have a doubt here.
Mhm.
So when I given that git push command, right? So it was successful, but in that config file, I did not find any logs. But after that, I gave that git log, and I was able to see that
Mm.
that adding origin in that config file. So is this kind of a log file or?
Your voice is breaking again, Sonesh.
Yeah, how about now?
Yeah. Please repeat again.
Yeah, we have that config file, right? So
Correct.
once I gave that command git log, after that only I could see that config file was updated. So is that
No, no,
kind
no,
of
no,
a
no, 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 no. No relation like that.
okay?
Before typing git log, go back and check your config file and come back and check your git log. It's not like that.
Okay.
No connectivity between git log and updation of the file. It is getting added only after adding the origin and after pushing. That's it. Not related to git log.
Okay, but the thing is, like in my case, when I given that git push command, right, I was not able to see anything. But then right away I gave git log, and after that it was updated. I mean, the config file was updated.
That is not
So,
correct, Ganesh. That's not correct actually. I think
mm-hmm.
somehow you missed some information there. But if you want, you can try it again. Git remove remote origin, and you can add the URL again. Come back and look at your config file. You'll have only this thing. And once you push it, this thing will also get added. Now you can go back and check git log.
Yeah, sure, Srini. I will retry that again.
Yeah.
And also, just one more doubt. If I'm removing this from these lines from the config file, is this going to affect?
Yeah, that means you don't have. If you remove from 8 to 13,
Okay,
this is same as git remote remove origin.
okay, yeah,
You're manually deleting these files.
okay, yeah,
I mean,
right.
these lines. Okay,
Okay, yeah.
good
Thanks,
good
Srini.
question,
Yeah, thank you.
guys. if you are not typing the git remote remove origin command, you can manually remove these files and save it. That is also the same. Clear, guys? Are we good so far? Just type it on the chat. Anyone missed anything? Toidil, you are good, right?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, good. How about Nori, Prashanti, Sanjay, Shonesh, Toidul, Vijay, and Surya? Okay, good. So yes, Surya, if you're missing the session, please go through the recorded session. Okay, and try to not miss the sessions, guys. These are very informative sessions. Okay. Now, next thing, can you see something called head here in the config file? In the git folder, you have something called head refers to heads master. Okay, you go back to refs folder, heads, and master. For master, you have a commit here, that is 5b0f. Okay, and again, if you come back to refs, again you have remote. In remote origin also you have master, because this is the same file which you pushed, and this also has the same commit. What this means is that if you go back to your git repository here, if you go to this particular commit, you can see the same commit id. All of you agree with me? Can you please check your local commit id and your remote commit id? Both are same. Do it first. Where is this information being uploaded? This information is inside the refs. Go inside refs. Heads is for local, remote is for remote. Okay, check inside the master here. Heads and remotes will have master. Okay, so that master file contains, so both these contain info about commit IDs or commit ID. Guys, is this clear? Are you guys enjoying the session? Come on, all of you. Or is it boring?
Yeah, I got it.
Awesome, good. Thanks, Surya. How about the others? Excellent, guys. Toidil, you're following?
Yes, sir, good.
Got it? Okay. Excellent, guys. Great going, great going. Really good. Much impressive. Very good. Okay. So now we're gonna see something really interesting. So I'll go to my Git bash. Of course, Git log will show me, okay, this thing. All good now. Let's see something very different now. Now type Git branch. It shows you one master branch, right? If you want to create new branch, Git branch, give a branch name. Since I have master or main, I think Sanjay has created as main, so let it be main. Now I'm creating a new branch called child. Type Git branch. You'll get two branches now. Git branch will list you list of branches. Git branch child will create a new branch. Git branch again will list you the list of branches. Since I've created a new branch called child, it is listing two branches. Okay, please follow these things. Let me know once you're done.
Yes, done.
Awesome. Okay, once you're done, guys, tell me on which branch I'm in here. I mean, I have some info here, right? Which branch I am in? Can you
You're
guys tell?
in master. You're in master.
How did you say that?
It says master in the parentheses.
This one?
No, in blue.
This
After
is fine.
Z.
This is fine. But from here, what do you figure out? That's a good information. You can see that it's master here, but from here, what do you figure it out? In which branch I'm in?
You're in
After,
master because it has star next to it.
and it has master in green. Everyone clear? Guys, two ways to figure it out in which branch I'm in. Are you guys agree with me? This and this. Am I correct? All of you?
Yes.
Awesome. Good. Now, what I will do is this is called checkout. Git checkout child. It is switched to child now. Can you guys see here from master? It's now to child. Try this. Please try this. It's checkout here in Git. In SVN, it is different, Surya, but here we use checkout. If once you're done, you can type Y on the chat. It's easy for you. You need not type all those things. Yeah, Y is easy for you, right? You single letter for all of you. You need not say I have finished and all those things. Done is also fine, but Y is better. Very good. Okay, I'm assuming if you're not asking me anything, everything is fine. Okay, because I cannot ask every time, right? So if you're not asking me questions, everything is fine. But questions are always welcome. Even now, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay, now it's good. So what we'll do now next, let's see some interesting stuff. Git status, it says on branch child. Okay, now go to your repository here. What does it say? It says, hello ZaranTech everyone. On which branch I am in? I'm on my child, but it says hello ZaranTech everyone. This is what I have it on master, right? How come I have the same thing here? Can someone give me an explanation? Why child is having same as master? So even if I switch it to master now, git checkout master, I'm on my master branch now. Now you go back and check here. Shit. Yeah, you can go back and check here. It says git ZaranTech hello everyone. Okay. So
You
it is the
create,
same. Yeah. Go
you
ahead. Go ahead.
created the branch from
Mhm.
master to child, so you copied from there, right?
Exactly. Did everyone understand this? What I mean to say here is you have a master branch, and from this point, you guys are divulging it. You call that as point of divulge. Point of divulge. Here, I am creating a parallel branch called child, which is the continuation of your master branch. Okay, this child branch is a continuation of master branch, but it is separate. It is separate. Now, master and child are different. So you can have next series of commits on master. You can have next series of commits on child. Is that clear, guys? All of you? Why on the chat, or you want to speak, you can speak something. If you do not understand, please ask me to repeat, but don't be, uh, don't confuse yourself. Okay.
Just a question.
Mm-hmm.
So, after we branch, the child will have whatever files are present on the master branch before we do the branch. So, all those will be present on the child branch. But
Mm-hmm.
after branch, if something is committed on the master branch, that will not be visible in child, right?
Perfect, perfect, perfect. Exactly. Because now
Okay.
these two are two different branches. And for example, these commits, you can actually take an analogy as, this commit, this branch has 4 leaves. Okay. This may
Okay.
have,
Yes.
this may have 7 leaves because two are two separate branches. When you see it on a
Okay.
tree, okay, one branch is on the left side, one branch is on the right side on a tree, right?
Yes. Okay.
So imagine this is your master on the left side, and you have a branch on the right side, which is your child. So these two things are different. Two branches are different.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Clear?
So in that case,
Mhm.
if we see the dot git, I mean the directory,
Mm,
the both whatever files are present on the both branches, all those will be visible. Like now we have only one file.
correct.
Like after doing the branch, and if we are going on committing different files on different branches,
Mm,
all those will be visible.
good question. So yeah, I mean, I do understand there's some background noise. You try to mute it. That's good always, but I'll try to continue the explanation here. So when you have, um, you know, the branch here, you have one branch called master and you have one branch called child. Now, the point when you actually divulged, when you divulge the branch from master to child, at that moment, you have only one file called hello.txt. Let's imagine like this. Hello.txt is the file and it says, hello everyone, ZaranTech. Okay. This is the content that you have. Now, this is the same content. Now you have it as well. Okay. Again, you will have the same content here as well, because this is where you have actually copied or checked out, or you have created a child branch from here. Now, if you make some changes here, okay, this changes will not come back to master, because both are two different branches. Only till when you start creating a branch, till that point you have similar changes. Once you created the branch, that is child is different and master is different. In child you may have 1,000 files, in master you may have 2,000 files, henceforth, from this point. Clear, Prashanti?
Yes, okay.
Perfect. Let's do that now. I mean, because this is what makes us really clear. Now, guys, I don't mean to actually confuse you, but it's very interesting. So when you say git checkout child, if you're in the child branch, please type git log. Okay. So though you are in the child branch, this git log says head is pointing to child, and you have an origin master, and you also have another branch called master. This is very interesting. See the difference. Now, if I git checkout to master, git log, now it says my head is pointing to master, and I have origin master, and I have one more branch called child. Can you try these two things? Two branches. Type git log in different branches. Type git log from master, type git log from child. Let me know once you're done. Let me know if it is clear, guys.
Hello, sir. I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, can we directly go into any branch by typing git checkout?
Yeah, whatever branches that you created. Try typing git checkout Surya Teja or something. Tell me if it works. It doesn't work because you don't have a branch like that. You need to create a branch and then git checkout. You need to have that branch existing. If it is not existing, you'll not go there.
For example, I have created a branch for child. Then I can directly go to git checkout that branch name under
Correct.
child.
If you have created the branch.
Got it.
Yes. Guys, I'm moving along. Okay. You have to tell me if you have any issues. That's what the thumb rule says. The thumb rule is that if you're not speaking, you're good. Don't you cannot come back to me and say I did not understand at that point. Please remember, instructions are very clear. Okay, you have to stop me if you do not understand. Now, this is done. Now, let me check on which branch I'm in. I'm on master now. So git checkout child. Okay, git log also says child, and I'm also in the child branch. Now what I will do, I'll go back to my child branch. This is my child branch. Okay, this directory, whenever you check out to master, whatever the contents are there, that will be visible for your master branch only. If you have checked out to child, whatever contents that are with respect to your child branch, only those contents will be visible. hello, ZaranTech, everyone, child. Okay, let me save this. Let me save this. Once I save this, type git status. Same thing again. It says it's in a modified state. Make it to the staging. Git status. Okay. Now, if I want, I can unstage it or I can commit it. Let's make it to the commit state. Committing on child. Just mentioning like this. Excellent. Now I have a commit F0 B2 on child. Okay. Now, if I'm at my child branch, if I type git log here, yeah, it talks about two commits now. Git log is with irrespective of the branches. One commit I did it 5b0f, and the latest commit is f0b2. This is on the child. Okay. This is git log is something which you will try after committing on the child. Okay. Okay. Do one thing first. I don't want to make it really fast. Modify some changes. Okay. I'll just put it in the notepad so that you can consider this as a small exercise. Okay. Okay. Check out to child branch. Make some changes to your file.
Yeah, that is good, sir.
Add it. Yeah. I can understand. See, I can understand your mind voice, Tohidul. So yeah, because I have to give respect to the participant's space. I can't go in my own way. So check out to the child branch, make some changes to your file, add, commit, try git log and tell what you see. If you have any questions, you can ask me, guys.
I am going to make sure that
Mhm.
I understand this correctly. You said that if you're in child class,
Mhm.
when you go into your folder,
Child
explore,
branch, right?
yeah, child branch, and you go
Mm,
to your folder, that
mm,
file that's there will be pointing to child. When you go to master,
mm,
it will be pointing to master, right?
mm.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Yeah.
When we check out the child branch, we got the masters.
Sorry.
When we check out the child branch, we got the master.
I didn't get you.
When we check out the child branch,
Mm.
we get the master.
I didn't get you. I didn't get your point. How can you check out when you check out to child? How will you get master? When you check out to child, you should get child, right?
Oh, sorry, you get the child, same.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Excellent, Prashanti. Very good. How about the other people?
I don't know my commands. Srini, sir, I've changed the files, right? And then if I want to like commit to the file, what are the commands that I have to use? I don't know all the commands.
Yeah. So the reason why I type like this is because it's a revision for the entire commands that we practiced so far, more or less. Small commands, right? You'll add git add, file name, git commit -m, give the command. That's it. Add and commit. It's there in the lab activity folder, right? Go to the ZaranTech, lab materials. You can find the commands, how to add it and how to commit it.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Surya, even if you are not sure about your commands, go to the lab activity folder from the materials. In the materials, in the blog, you can see. That is good, Shanish. Okay. So go to the materials, guys. See lab activity. From here, you will find how to add and commit. This is your adding, git add, but this is your commit, git commit.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I went to some other page actually. I didn't understand this.
Which
Um,
page?
I unfortunately added minus u instead of m. First I added m, but it is showing some error. So I thought it was a mistake from my side, and I typed u.
No problem. I
So
will tell you. You are in a Linux mode. What you need to do is, if you want to come out of it, press escape :WQ and press enter.
escape
:WQ and
WQ.
enter. Enter.
Oh, yes, got it.
Yeah. Good.
Thank you.
Welcome.
So when I commit to -m, it is says m requires a value.
That's true, right? Please understand, how do you actually commit something? That's what I'm saying. Go to this folder. How do you commit something?
Oh, got it. To hide the comments.
Oh, Sanjay.
Guys, take your own time, okay? No hurry. If you're struggling, please let me know. Excellent, Vijay. That's good. So, Vijay, Prashanti, Shonesh, two are from two different branches, commits, right? Not from the same branch, right? Just asking.
Yes.
Excellent. That's good, Surya. That's good, Vijay. So either all good your end at your end?
I'm good.
Good. Sanjay?
I'm at the last
No problem. Take your time.
commit.
Don't hurry yourself. Do it normally. Do it slowly.
Hello, sir.
Mhm.
Is there any class at the evening for India?
Sorry?
Is there any class going on for in the evening?
You can get in touch with the support team. They can definitely help you. I mean, they can plan accordingly if you have many people. If you want, you can refer people. You can actually talk with the support team. They will actually connect with you, the marketing team, because
Okay.
more than me, they have more idea.
Okay, I'm asking about you. Do you have any other class in the evening? Is there
No,
any
no, no,
present
no, no,
batch
no,
going
no,
on?
no, no, no. This is the only batch on weekdays. Maybe we are planning for weekends as well, but that will come at later point, I think.
Okay, okay.
Srini, sir,
Go ahead.
may I share for a second? I think I did something wrong and I don't know where I
No
am.
problem. Every mistake that you do is a blessing in disguise, Sanjay. It's a blessing in disguise. You think it's a mistake, but it's as a blessing. Okay, go ahead and share it.
I don't know what I did.
Mm-hmm. Surya, remember this?
Yes, yes, I remember this.
Okay, you can tell Sanjay now. It's a revision for you, Surya.
But it's on one go.
Just try it.
Type
Give it a.
escape.
Mm-hmm.
Escape.
Just type escape. After that, you need to have a colon WQ.
Oh,
Yes, colon. He
W-
typed it. W
WQ. Q.
and yeah, and enter.
Enter.
There you go. That means it does not have a permission. Okay. Append exclamation to WQ. After WQ, put an exclamation. That's what it says. Add exclamation to override. Okay. Press escape
Press
again.
escape again. Colon
colon
WQ
WQ
exclamation.
Exclamation.
Enter.
Okay.
Wow. So Sanjay will not commit files again. He's afraid now. What do you say, Sanjay? No, you can. You can. Git commit -m. I really like this because when I was actually teaching my previous batches, I understood that many people are not committing the files. This is the reason. They get into a some prompt where they are actually struggling. When I asked them, did you commit? They said yes, we did commit. But when I asked them to share the screen, they did not commit it. Then they told me the reason. Okay, we typed only git commit, and when we gave -m also, okay, we did not append it with some text comment. Okay, so that is a prerequisite. Okay, so that without a prerequisite, your commit will not be committed.
And you need to give your file name, right?
No, Sanjay, just try to go through your lab activity. I think I need to make you guys this clear.
Okay.
Just please, just open it now. Just open it and see it, because I don't want you to miss it. Just share your screen. Sorry, Sanjay, you can't escape.
Yeah. No. I thought you wanted.
No. You open it. You open it.
wanted to
Yeah,
go
you
ahead
open
with
it. Yeah.
class. I will open it. No problem.
You have that, right? So yes, open it.
Course content.
No, it's in the materials, Sanjay.
certification. No, I'm in DevOps certification, I think. Yeah.
Come down, see how you will commit.
Git at hello.java.
There you will give the file name. For while adding, you will give the file name. But see how you do giving commit. Come down. Come down. Come down.
Git commit made changes to hello. Okay.
What does that mean?
You just need to give your comment, whatever.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Made changes to child branch.
Good. Type git log. How many commits you see?
2.
Awesome.
Yeah.
One is on the main, one is on the child. Correct?
Yep.
Okay. Now you can stop sharing your screen, Sanjay. Good going.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now I feel more confident.
Yeah. That's true. Absolutely. Okay, guys. So now we see two repositories, right? One is at the local and one is at the remote. Okay, local is your git bash. Okay, this is your git bash and this is your GitHub. Correct? Now there are, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna make it very clear. This is very clear. See, what I'm gonna do is I'll say I was on the master branch before and I have created an origin called master on my remote as well. And whatever the changes that I have on my local master, okay, I push those changes from my local master to my remote master, right? Let's make this clear. Bold letters, local. Okay, this is remote. Now, what did I do now? Guys, all of you, what did we do just now? From past 15 or 20 minutes? What's the latest thing we did?
We created
a branch, child branch.
No,
Exactly.
we modified something on child branch.
Yes. Now tell me, we have something on the child. Okay, I'll go to the child branch now. It says on child, nothing to commit. Okay. Now, I wanted to push this to my remote repository. Things will get very interesting now. How do I do it? How many branches I have here? I have only one branch called master in my remote. I'm refreshing it again. I'm refreshing the page. I have only one master, that only one branch, that is master. Good. Now, tell me guys, what should I do next if I want to see the same thing in my remote that's on GitHub? Is the question clear? If you want me to repeat, I can repeat.
Clear.
How about the others? Prashanti, Vijay, Nuri, everyone else.
I think that yesterday we added one line that we need to add again for the child so that local and remote get connected.
Who's that? Surya, is it?
Yes.
Good. Okay, but tell me one thing. Are we not connected already?
We are connected for master, right? Now
Okay.
we have created a child, but remote doesn't know that we created a child. So
Okay.
we need
You're
to.
talking about the branch. Okay. Now tell me, should I add my remote again now? That's the question. Should I give like git add remote origin again? Think and tell me. Come on, guys. Why silence?
As we are already connected, I think we just have to push from the child to the remote branch, I guess.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Who's it, Vijay or Prashanti?
I think it was Prasanti.
Okay, yeah. How about others? That is Prashanti's opinion. Good, good, nice, good try. How about the others? Shonesh, guys, come on. You should think it from your side. This is your class. Tohidul, Vijay, anything you guys wanted to share or say?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Good. Some response at least. If you do, even if you do not give me the answer, yes. Do you understand, Tohidul, or you still yet to figure it out? You understood the question, right? What did we do earlier? Whatever the changes are from the master, you push it to the repository. While pushing it, please remember, did we mention any branch name? Now I am coming to the point. While pushing the changes from the local to remote GitHub, did I mention any branch name? All of you? Give your answers.
No, no.
No.
Mhm. Please
No
think.
branch. No
It was
branch.
the master branch.
Sorry? Go ahead, go ahead.
Uh, when we give that push command, so it was master, right?
Yes, yes. Now, okay, let's come to the point. If I wanted to push the changes from local to the remote, what command should I give? What is a push command?
It should be child. I mean,
Who's this? Surya, right?
Sonish.
Sonesh. Okay. How about the others? What should I type here? Is it master or child?
Master.
Okay. Sanjay says master. Shonesh says child. Come on.
Child.
Okay. One more guy says child.
I think it should be master.
Vijay or Prashant?
Prashanti. Yeah,
Prashanti.
Prashanti. Yeah.
Okay. Good. Now, see guys, it completely depends. But let me tell you one thing. This is how it happens if I push it to master from child. Do you think this is ideal? Guys, whoever said master now, do you want to take your back your opinion? Or push it this way, which is correct?
I'm not getting. I'm confused, I think.
No problem. Confusion is always good for you. Do you remember the medicine, Sanjay? When you consume any medicine, you shake it before you consume it. This is also the same. Before getting the clarity, you'll get a confusion. That's good. It's completely natural. But I really appreciate that you're saying you're getting confused. No problem. But you'll get the clarity. Don't worry. So, okay, let me give you one more information. So far, we all are maintaining our own repositories, right? Tomorrow, if someone wants to come and want to make those changes, if I put both the changes on the master itself, ideally this is supposed to be child, but I am actually putting the change inside the master. That is, I am connecting from my local child to master child, master origin, that is remote master. This is like it is crossed, right? It's not maintaining a separate branch at the remote repository. Am I correct? All of you agree with me?
Correct.
Come on, guys.
Yes.
Yes, good.
Yes, that means at a GitHub level in the central repository, I am pushing the changes. Very good. But I am not having separation of concern here. Now, if I actually push the changes from child to master, then what is the point of creating a child branch here altogether? Is that a valid question? Come on, guys.
Yes, it's a valid. You can directly do it from master.
See, that's what. Then why should I create a child branch? My objective of creating a child branch is because altogether I wanted to maintain a separate version. Agreed? Come on, guys.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sanjay, still in confused state.
Because I was thinking child as your local branch, right?
Yes,
And
child
that,
is my local branch. That is correct. But child is a local branch. I agree. Even for the master's sake, I mean, for even when you consider the master also, master was a local branch before. Later we made it into origin. Correct?
yeah, okay.
Same thing here. Child is a local branch now. Now it will get its popularity once you change this to refresh it. Tell me how many branches you have now, guys.
2 branches.
Yeah, okay. I got it.
Super. I told you, right, Sanjay? Your medicine works really well now. Can you see the commits also here, guys? Same commit, what we committed on the child.
Yes.
Good. Do you guys want to give a try at this? Please do it. Look at the diagram, no confusion. So what you need to do now, push changes from child to remote. I'm making it very abstract. I'm not giving any details here. If you have listened to me properly, I need not give all the details. I'm just using some abstraction here. I'm saying push the changes from child to remote. Let me see. How do you actually push it? Let me know once you're done, guys. You know what you need to do once you commit. Three people done so far. Sonesh, Surya, and Prashanti, and Viji. 4 people. Nori, you're able to do it? Nori, can you hear me?
Yes, still trying, Srini.
Good. Yeah, go ahead.
Srini sir,
Good.
I'm getting, please make sure you have the correct access right and the repository exists. That
Oh,
means that,
let's see. Let's see. I'll stop sharing the screen. Share your screen.
so I gave main, which was wrong, but then I gave child, and it's still
I think
saying
you
that
know your error. I think you know your error. Just repeat the command. Just say the command. What is the command you gave? Just
git,
read it out.
git push
Hmm?
under -u origin child.
What's the spelling of origin?
Yeah, Sanjay.
Give it a try. Just go back and check if it's there.
Yeah, I'm just checking my GitHub.
Mhm. There you go. You have just select them from the drop down. Go to the child branch. Anyways, it shows there are two branches there. Branches are two, but you can go to the child branch and check your commit ID also. Mm.
It's there, right? This is it.
You have two commits there. Yeah, it's there. AC0754B. It's there. Commit ID is there. 11 minutes ago, 17 minutes ago.
Yeah. Just
Yes.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah.
Got
Thank
it?
you. Yeah.
Welcome.
Spelling mistake was there.
No problem. Nuri, any help? Nuri, can you hear me?
Yes, Ernie, I'm not able to see the code when I am pushing the uOrigin child.
But is it successful?
But
When you type push git push -u origin child, what's happening?
yeah, I can see the codes are enumerating objects 5 done.
Okay. Then you should see it. Go to your GitHub and select your child branch. You can see it from here. Select your child branch. You should be able to see it right now. What happened, Nuri? I'm waiting for you.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah. You have to tell me, please. Just waiting for you. Share your screen. Don't be silent. You can share your screen.
Okay.
Select from the drop down master. You're pushing to master only, then you have to push it to your child, right?
Okay. So this is what I have. I think.
I think while sharing, you have to share your entire desktop. I think I cannot see the command prompts. Can't see your command prompt, Nori. Getting me? Okay. Hello. Okay, guys. So I don't know. I can't hear Nori. She got disconnected.
I'm back. Then.
Yeah, what happened?
The internet dropped.
So would you be able to do it by going through the recorded session?
Yeah, I think I
Just
will try.
try it. If not, just let me know tomorrow before we begin the session. Okay, I can help you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
May I ask one question?
yeah. Sure.
That is out of the course. Where are you located?
Sorry,
Where are you located?
I'm in India, Tohidul.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Because of
Thanks.
I have few friends. They wanna join in different courses. So should I talk to you after the course?
You can definitely recommend me to ZaranTech. You have ZaranTech support number, right?
I have a ZaranTech marketing people because
Yeah.
I located in New York. I have 3-4 friends.
Okay.
They are looking for a good trainer like you.
Sure.
so, so if you allow me, then I can tell them about you. But how I can connect you?
Yeah, definitely. You can actually reach out to the ZaranTech marketing people and just propose the courses what they wanted to learn. Definitely, I
Okay,
can deliver.
just I'll tell them about Sri. What is your full name?
Srini.
Sorry,
Srinivas.
Srini. Okay,
Yeah. So I actually give a short name to it, Srini.
okay. I'll tell them. A few people talk to with Srini. Okay.
Yeah. Thanks, Nidal.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, guys. So we push the changes from the local to the remote origin, right? So when you say origin refers to your remote branch. Okay. I am very much interested now, guys. Can you type git log now and tell me? Can you guys tell me what does it say after typing git log? All of you, what do you understand? Come on, guys. It's very self-explanatory, right?
There was a commit done, and it was on the child one. So head is equal to child, and we could also see another branch that is master. That is the below commit.
Perfect. So, guys, can I say from this? Okay, especially I'm concentrating here and here. Okay, is this not resembling to our architecture diagram here? All of you agree? Is that not the same? Master origin, child origin. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
How about the
10,
others? Yeah.
10-4.
Yes.
Fantastic. Good. Awesome. This gives you a very good confidence, guys. Nice. Now, so one at a time. Now what I wanted to tell you something which is very, very, very important in GitHub, in any version control tool. This we have to do it little slowly. I'll also give you time for you guys to actually understand this. So the concept of this, you call it as merging. Okay. What is merging actually? Merge. Merge means combining. All of you agree with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Before getting
Things
into,
will be,
yeah,
two
things will
things
be
will be
combined.
added, right?
Correct, Toidul, you're right. Now, before getting into merging, I wanted to first show you the changes that I have. So far, I'm in my child. Okay, I'm in my child. Open the hello.txt. You can see hello ZaranTech everyone child. Okay, now I will say git checkout master. It's in the master branch. Now try to open hello.txt. What's the difference you see? Guys, what's the
It got
difference?
changed to the previous one.
Mhm. One answer. How about the others? If you want me to repeat, I'll repeat. Don't miss this important part.
Yeah, on master you have the initial file, and on the child you have the edited file.
Correct.
The
So
yes.
does this mean that both maintain separate versions? Correct, right?
Yeah.
Both maintain separate versions. If I modify something on my master, it'll be different here. Save it. Okay, git status. Zero 0894. I have one more commit here. This is one more commit I have. Now, if I'm in my master, I have this. If I say git checkout child, I have this. So I'm just doing the same thing again. Git checkout master. Clear everyone? Are master and child different? Do you see the difference when I switch
Yes.
the branches? Everyone.
Yeah.
This is important, guys. Very important. Okay, very good. Now, yes, merge I have to anyway go, but I told you like Git is very intuitive. What do you mean by intuitive? It can actually understand your mind voice really well, and it itself has a very good way of handling the things. Now, when I go to my child, git checkout child, git status says everything is clean. But when I say git checkout master, when I type git status or git, when I checked it out, it says your branch is ahead of origin master by one commit. Git push to publish your local commits. What does this mean? Can anyone tell?
Your master and child not in sync.
No, that's not correct. But Sanjay, I appreciate your efforts. Okay. When you say it's not correct, it doesn't mean that, you know, don't get dejected with that, but it's a good try.
No.
I mean, that's, I mean to say, That's what not Git means for you. I mean, what that is not Git is saying. I think that's a good attempt.
As
Yeah.
new commit is added.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
There was one more one extra commit than the master branch.
Uh-huh. Okay. How about Vijay? How about Prashanti?
Yes, with extra commit that happened now, it is displaying this message, but the statement is little contradictory. Like
Okay. Like,
the branch is your branch is ahead of origin master by one commit. Actually, in child we have only one commit. On the master we are having two commits.
hmm?
So it's little bit confusing. I
Oh,
I
okay.
feel the statement should, yeah.
Okay. 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 I think you're confused with this child and master. Actually, this statement ends here itself. Once I type git checkout master, from this moment, this is on master branch only. Don't consider this. Okay. Let me type it for you again. Tell me if this still confuses you. Okay. Git status. Is it still confusing you?
It's clear now.
It's clear? Are you sure? Or I understood something else different? Is this what you're thinking actually? You thought like it's displaying on the child and now it's showing master, but now it's clear, right? Or it's still contradicting. Tell me what is contradicting here. Again, if you can, if you wanted to.
No, I thought previously we were in child. I didn't see the statement like you were on the master, like
Oh,
that you
okay.
have moved to the master.
Okay, good, good. Nice. Good. You tried to figure it out yourself. That's really good. Nice. Keep it up. So anyone else? Vijay, would you like to try anything? Or guys, can you tell me how should I get rid of this message or alert? Do you, okay, tell me one thing. Can I ignore this? Can I ignore this?
You can ignore.
Okay, if I ignore, what happens?
You may not
Okay,
know that
the
the previous commit was there.
Go ahead. Yeah, I think it was Prashanti. You're able to say something.
local code and the remote code are not in sync with this.
Very good point. That's a great
Yeah.
point. That's a great point. Correct. See, what I mean to say here is why I'm telling you this, guys, why I'm giving you all these details. Because all these details will help you to work on Git tomorrow. Once you get your job, you should never be confused. And you should have a systematic way of learning or systematic way of using the tool. Okay. So if I keep on ignoring these comments, okay, this may give me a compounding impact on the entire work. I am supposed to do something which is very lucrative, but everything gets futile if I do not take care of these comments properly. I have to read it. Okay. What I mean to say this is I'll get rid of this thing. Tell me if this works. Am I still getting the message or is it clean now? All of you.
Clean now.
Okay. Can you find some information very valuable here? Some information. I want you guys to exactly point out. Some valuable information is here. Okay. What does this say? Try to recollect, guys. Okay. What are these two things? These two individuals?
They are commit IDs.
Exactly. Commit IDs, right? Now, what does it saying now? It's saying its subsequent commit is 0893B7. Is it not? Guys, are you with me?
Yes.
All of you. This is what it is expecting. This is what it is expecting. Now, what does it mean is that if you go back to your master and see now, you will not have 05B anymore. See, you can go and check now. Your latest commit is, okay, where is the commit ID? Oh, let me go inside this, I can see. So my latest commit ID is, okay, let me refresh the screen. 08994. Guys, you're following me?
Yes.
This is my latest commit. This is what it says. It was saying to me that when I committed a new commit here, extra commit, new commit, okay. When I did a new commit, it is telling to me that my local branch, this local branch on the left side, this local branch on the left side is ahead of remote commit. That means both are not in sync. Your local changes have some new changes. In order to actually not to lose your data, in order for other people to get the latest information, it is asking you to push all the changes from local to remote. Clear, everyone?
That's what I said, right, sir? It's not in sync.
But you said something different. You said something different, not the same statement. If I can remember, I think you did say something different.
I said
What did you say?
master and childs are not in sync.
That is different here, right? Master and child are not in sync, you said. What does that mean? What's the difference? You said master and child are not in sync, but actually local and remote are not in sync, which is correct.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I think maybe the way you understood it's correct, but the way how you presented is wrong, correct?
Yeah.
You're taking master and child as local and remote, I think. That's how you took it, connotation.
Yeah.
That's what I remember it very clearly. Yeah. Because I didn't think like you thought it in a right way, but you presented in a wrong way. Now I got it now.
Yeah. Sorry, I wasn't trying to talk against you. I was just trying to make my doubt clear.
No. No, but I really like it because your intuition is correct. But now you figured it out, and I also figured it out that you were right, but you present it in some different way.
Yeah.
Because actually, it's not about master and child here. It's only about local and remote. That's why I got confused with your statement. Now it's clear. Good. Nice, guys. So before we leave or before we conclude the session today, I would like to talk about merge. Okay, and we can actually combine. I mean, we can actually talk more about merge tomorrow also. But it's a very interesting concept, and it's very confusing also if you do not, listen to me or if you do not follow it to me clearly. But anyways, what I would like to tell you is, I'm just trying to, clear this thing, make a straight line so that the diagram is clear, nothing is confusing. Okay, now what is the need of merging something? Why should I merge something? Okay, I have a child branch and a master branch. Similarly, imagine that you run a website which is on 2020 on the master. Now you have created a 2021 version. Guys, do you see it on websites? In the bottom, do you see 2021 or 2020? Copyrights.
2021.
Even for ZaranTech, it's 2021, right? It's not 2020, right? So if you imagine that the branch name is 2021 instead of child, okay, naming convention is child, but you have the latest changes here, then are you not supposed to mix or merge your latest changes to the master branch? That is the ideal strategy. What we do is we have a one branch called working branch or active branch. This active branch will run the production code. This branch, master branch, will always run your production code. Now, what happens if I try to make some changes on the same branch? Does it not crash your production? Come on, guys. Do you think like you can remove a wheel while your car is on the running? You're driving a car. Do you think you can remove a wheel while it's running? It's as similar to this.
No.
It's as similar to this. While you're working on an active branch, which is actually serving all your clients or customers, can you make some changes directly on that? Does it not give you an impact? All of you?
Yes.
How about the others?
Yes.
That's where we have non-working branch, active branch and a passive branch. That passive branch is your child branch now. And since I made some new changes on top of this, that is I made some, new child or something. Okay. Now I wanted to merge this with my master branch. Now, what branch I have to merge? I have to merge my child branch with my master branch. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
Merge child with master. It's not master with child. It's the other way. Okay. It's child with master. Get the child branch. What I mean to say here is, get this thing. Wow, this is better, right, guys? What do you say? This is how you merge. I wish I could have done it a little better, but this is what I meant. This is what I meant. So what I mean to say is, I wanted to get this child branch attached with your master branch. Guys, getting me? You're able to follow? In order to do that, okay, I have to ensure that I'm on my master branch. I'm on my master branch. Now I'll say git merge child. What happens? Auto conflict. Git merge child. What happened? I got all the changes of my child added to my master. This is what I'm doing now. Now child and master are mixed. What's the confusion here? What is the confusion? Okay. Can I give you a very good example, guys? So have you witnessed any companies getting merged? Companies getting merged. Any good examples as such?
Yes, Srini, I've seen.
Okay. Okay. All of you heard about Maruti? It's an Indian brand. It's an automobile car. And you have Suzuki. Maruti is different. Suzuki is Japanese. Maruti is Indian. When they combine these together, what happens? Don't they have things combined? Yes or no?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
Now, when they have it combined, okay, don't you need to ensure that what you require and what is not required? Do you think when you combine two companies, you will run two payrolls separately, or you want to run only one payroll? Do you want to make things more complicated or less complicated? Right? Do you need some, don't you need to do some settlements once you merge two things together? Yes or no? All of you?
Yes.
Okay. One answer. Got one answer. How about the others?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, I agree.
Excellent. Excellent. That is where you get a conflict, because now let me show you the conflict. You can understand it very easily. What does it say now? Open the hello.txt. Tell me, guys, what does it say?
See, the file name is same, but we have two different contents.
Exactly. When you have one payroll system and you are merging the accounts, suppose in company A you have 300 people, in company B you have 300 people, you're merging them together and you need to do some account settlements, right? Don't you guys agree with me, all of you? This is what it is. It says it is telling to me, hey Srini, you merged everything. I'm very much okay with the merging, but can you please tell me, because I'm not intelligent enough, Git is talking to me, I'm not intelligent enough to understand what is required for me and what is required for you. Okay, you just tell me clearly what is required for you, I'll start tracking those changes. That is what it is telling. See, you have child and a master, both are on the same line, same content, same words, almost the same placeholders. It's getting confused which one to keep, which one not to keep. That's what it says. It says conflict, merge conflict in hello.txt, auto merging. It is doing auto merging, but automatic merging failed. Fix conflicts and then commit the result. Okay, how do I do it? Now I have to make a decision. Should I keep it for master or should I keep it for child? Because I have the latest thing coming from the child, I have decided to keep it like this. It's not confusing, but I like to put a comment here also. Changes coming from child is latest. So hence you've decided to keep these changes. Now you go back, git status. It says git modified, hello.txt, resolved conflicts. That's it. So 16E3. You have combined thing together now. 16E3. You can get rid of this thing now. Just extend it. Extend your child branch. 16E3. Clear, guys? I want you to speak now.
Clear, sir.
How about the others?
Yeah, good.
Yes, clear, sir.
Sir, clear.
Good. How's the session today, all of you?
It's good.
How about the others? Any questions?
Sir, I have one question. With, when we discussed about commits, right? There we have it has shown one commit in the message. If we have two commits, then it will show two commits.
Correct.
And the latest one is going to be added from the previous one or the first one?
I'm getting confused here when you say previous one and first one.
I mean, first we have created one commit, and after that one more commit is been created.
Same branch, different branches.
Same branch.
Okay.
No different branches, only same branch. So we originate, we remotely done that. So now we again created a new commit. So this commit is been under the previous one that I got. So now again a new commit has been created again. So there are two commits under the previous one, which will be original.
Yeah, where you removed the origin only, correct? Okay. So local remains local only, right? You're only removing the origin, that's it.
Okay.
You're getting me?
Not exactly.
Commits remain here on the local. Commits remain here on the local. Only for the remote origin you're talking about, right? That means you're
Exactly. Remote.
Yeah. So from the remote perspective, it's a new commit. From the local perspective, it's an add-on commit. Clear?
Yes.
Awesome. Good. Good question. So are we good to wind up, guys? All of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir. Yes, sir.
So we'll see more. We'll see more interesting session tomorrow. We'll continue this session tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Do we have session on Sundays?
No. So tomorrow will be our last session. Again, we'll come back on Monday your time, which we are in US, or Tuesday morning my time, if I am in India.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to visit our Vimeo page and follow for more upcoming videos.